In this video, I will show you how to edit Reels cover on your Facebook page. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Facebook app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon to visit your Facebook page. Scroll down right here. The next thing you want to do is to navigate to Reels. Then you have your Reels right here. Select the Reels you want to change the cover. So I'm going to go ahead and select this Reels right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on these three dots from the bottom corner. Then go ahead and click on Edit Reels. Then go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and click on Choose from different photo. Then go ahead and select the new photo you want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Gallery. Then I'm going to take a look at the image I want to use right here from my screenshots. And I'm going to use this particular image right here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Done. Lastly, hit on Save. And you are done. By the time you go back to your Reels, then you refresh, then you find a new cover into your Reels, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.